This lens can be purchased almost for nothing, and you will find it everywhere. I had to constantly step back in the garden and take more distance from the subject. This is due to the long focusing distance of 2 meters. Still, the close focus mode has often helped me achieve what I wanted. Because this lens is so cheap, it is all the more amazing that at some focal lengths there is a very good sharpness. Really incredible. Also, the bokeh is sometimes very beautiful. If you only had this lens, then there is much to discover where the sweet spots are. There are many.